Where did you keep my office shirt? Where did you keep my office shirt?
It is hanging in the almirah. It is hanging in the almirah.
What are you doing in the kitchen? What are you doing in the kitchen?
I am boiling eggs for breakfast. I am boiling eggs for breakfast.
Which do you want, tea or coffee? Which do you want, tea or coffee?
I would like coffee, not tea. I would like coffee, not tea.
How many eggs did you cook today? How many eggs did you cook today?
I cooked 4 eggs this morning. I cooked 4 eggs this morning.
How do you make this special tea? How do you make this special tea?
I add ginger and cardamom together. I add ginger and cardamom together. What time will you leave for office? What time will you leave for office?
I will leave at 8:30. I will leave at 8:30.
Why are you looking so worried today?
I have an important meeting today. I have an important meeting today.
Can you help me wash the dishes? Can you help me wash the dishes?
Yes, of course I will help. Yes, of course I will help. What should I buy from the market? What should I buy from the market?
Please buy vegetables and some fish. Please buy vegetables and some fish.
How old is your younger brother now? How old is your younger brother now?
He is 25 years old this year.
Did you take your medicine this morning? Did you take your medicine this morning?
Yes. I took it after breakfast. Yes, I took it after breakfast.
What is the doctor's advice for you? What is the doctor's advice for you?
He advised me to take rest. He advised me to take rest. Is it raining outside right now? Is it raining outside right now?
Yes, it is raining heavily now. Yes, it is raining heavily now.